Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off standby mode on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Standby mode can turn your phone into a bedside clock, live photo frame, or widget of your choice when your phone is charging. If you don't want this to be enabled, then follow the steps below to turn it off. Open up the Settings app and scroll down to and tap on Standby. At the top of the page, turn off the toggle to the right of Standby. When switched off, the toggle will go from green to grey. Standby mode is now turned off on your iPhone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.